Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set saving goals in YNAB. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set a saving goals and you need a budget, you need to first of all create a budget category. Simply go to YNAB and get account signed in. So once you have got signed in, you need to select your category. You need to simply go and find the budget, and you need to simply select a saving category where you want to set a goal as emergency fund or vacation fund. After this, you need to create a target. You need to add a target and choose a target cadence. You need it repeated or non-repeating. After you have done this, you need to select the time, amount, and due date. Once everything is selected, these are your goal details. After this, if you choose a repeating target, you can set how it should behave, like set aside or set aside another or refill up to. So these are some effects, or like these are some targets you can set, and you need to save the target. Once you have finalized your goal, simply tap on save target and you're all set. So this is how you can set saving goals in YNAB. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.